Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. In this video, I will talk about time prepositions. We use time prepositions every day, and that's why it's really important to know how and when to use these prepositions to avoid grammatical errors while speaking and writing. So today, I will talk about 3 common time prepositions in, on and at. We have seen that we use these 3 prepositions when we talk about places. I have made a video on preposition of place wherein we have seen where to use in, on and at when we talk about a place. But here we are only concentrating on time. We will talk about only time. So let's see how and when to use these prepositions one by one. First is at. Let's see where we can use at. I will meet you at 8 p.m. So whenever we talk about time, we use at, not on, at 8 o'clock, at 8 p.m., at 10:30. So before time, always use at. My sister came back home at midnight. Again, here we are talking about the time, at midnight. We always have a family get-together at Christmas. So sometimes I've seen people use on Christmas. So that is also correct. But there is a difference between at Christmas and on Christmas. So when you say on Christmas or on Christmas Day, that means you're talking about that particular day. But when you say at Christmas, so you are talking about a holiday period or a festival period, maybe of 6-7 days. So that is what it means. So when you're talking about that period, holiday period, wherein there are 4-5 days, then you will use at Christmas, and when you're talking about that day, then on Christmas Day, on Easter Day. So this is the difference. She will call you at night. So in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, but at night. With night, we don't use in the night. At night. They will meet you at the weekend. With weekend we use at the weekend. Next is he will take an appointment at lunch. So again here we are talking about a specific time. At lunch, at dinner, at breakfast. So whenever we have this kind of a sentence, we use at. She moved to US at the age of 3. So here in this phrase we use at the age of something. Okay, I started learning English at the age of 4, at the age of 15. She moved to US at the age of 3. So at the age of, not on the age of. So these are the places where we use at when we talk about time. Next is in. Let's see, when do we use in to talk about time? I will be here in few minutes. In few minutes, in some days, in some time. So here when we have this kind of a sentence, we use in. The bus will come in some time. Don't be impatient. Please wait. The bus will come in some time. I'll be fine in few days. Right now I'm not well, but I'm sure that I'll be fine in few days. I learned driving in just 4 weeks. So here we use in. He bought his new car in 2015. So before year we use in 1999, in 2020, in 2015. So in. Airplanes became popular in 20th century. So century is a period of 100 years, and before a century we use in 20th century, in 21st century. In December we are going on a vacation. Before a month we use in December, in May, in January. My sister will come back in summer. Now, whenever we talk about seasons, we use in summer, in winter, in spring, in summer. She will receive the letter in the evening. In the evening, in the morning, in the afternoon, but at night. Always at night. I will buy a farmhouse in future, in past, in present. So here we use in. So these are the places where we use in. Next is on. Let's see where we can use this preposition. I have an exam on 9th of June. So when you have a date, then we use on. However, with month, we use in June, in May, but here we have used on because there is a date, and with a date we use on, not in. On 9th of June. If it was June without the date, then we would have used in. I have an exam in June. So that's the difference. Let's watch a movie on Monday. Before a day we use on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. So whenever there is a day we use on. You will get your certificate on Saturday morning. Okay, so with morning we use in, but here because we have a day, that's why we will use on, because we use on before a day. He will return on the 22nd. So here this is understood that you're talking about this month. So you don't have to mention the month. So on the 22nd means this month, this 22nd, coming 22nd, or you can write it like on the 22nd of this month. So this is the way how you write. We had a party on her birthday. Again, we are talking about a day, a particular day. So on her birthday. What are your plans on New Year's Eve? So here we are talking about the particular day on New Year's Eve. That's why on. Tia's birthday is on May 13th. On May 13th. However, we use in before a month. But here we have the date also. That's why on May 13. If this was not here, then Tia's birthday is in May. That's it. But we have a date here. That's why on May 13th. We have a get together on Christmas Day. So here I have not used at Christmas because we are not talking about a period, a holiday period. We are talking about the day. That's why on Christmas or on Christmas Day. Now there is an exception. We never use on before tomorrow, yesterday, next or last. Sometimes people say that I have an interview on tomorrow, on yesterday. That's incorrect. We don't use it like this. Okay, so tomorrow. I'm going to meet her tomorrow. I watched a movie yesterday. Next year, last year, don't use on. Now there is one more thing. You can say yesterday, you can say yesterday evening, yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, but yesterday night is incorrect. You can use last night. That's a better option, but don't say yesterday night. It doesn't sound good or natural. So that's how we can use on preposition when we talk about time. So here we have the practice exercise. Let's do it. The movie starts dash 8:30. So here we have the time. So what do we use before time? At. So the movie starts at 8:30. Where were you dash Friday morning? So before the day we use on. On Friday morning. The Titanic sank dash 1912. Before year, we always use in 1912. I will invite my friends dash Christmas Eve. So here we are not talking about a holiday period or a festival period, but here we are talking about the Eve, Christmas Eve. We are talking about that particular day, so on. No shops are open here dash the winter. So before a season, winter, summer, spring, what do we use? In the winter. We expect a rise in sales dash the next few months. In the next few months. I'll be back in few minutes, in few hours, in the next few months, in some time. So we always use in these kind of sentences. I will see you dash Monday afternoon. So again we have a day here, and what do we use before a day? On Monday afternoon. John is going to buy the presents dash today. So what will come here? Today, it's a day. We are talking about a day, but we don't use a preposition before today. So no preposition here. John is going to buy the presents today, tomorrow, yesterday. So no preposition. She met her husband dash 1998. So before an year we use in. In 1998. Mobile phones became popular dash 90s. So here we are talking about a century. So what do we use before a century? It's in. So this way we use in, on and at when we talk about time. I hope you all have understood these three prepositions now. These are the most common time prepositions. There are some other prepositions as well. I will make a separate video on that. As of now, just understand this, practice, keep learning. Have a great day. Thank you for watching my videos. If you find them helpful, please like and share with your friends. Feel free to leave comments. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive a notification for the new videos. Thank you, take care and have a great day.